Even though it's taken Stacey longer than she would have liked, I always knew I was going to marry this woman. 5 months in, went on holiday for the first time ever. I tagged along with the Sweeneys to New York. Not too bad, not too bad. We were sat in a Broadway show and all the lights were on, band was on. And we just kind of had this moment where we both leant in hand, and that was the moment I knew. It took me a while to get my act together, like it took about 7.5 years later, but we're here, it's fine.
Well, on this glorious day, I'd like to welcome you on behalf of the management and staff here at Newton Hall for the very, very happy occasion of the marriage of Stacey and Callum.
This wedding is my fault. Chloe and Stacey went for an interview at Marks and Spencer's and I happened to be there, so I encouraged them both to have a chat with each other. So that's when they became friends. So Stacey started going out in Blythe and meeting a group of people. So, you know, we got to hear about Mackenzie and Ben and Greenie and Hez. And this Hez kept cropping up, and Hez this and Hez that and Hez that. And then all of a sudden it changed to Callum. Who is this Callum? Is this a new person? It took us a while before we realised that Callum and Hez were actually the same person.
Do you, Callum, take Stacey here present to be your lawful wedded wife, to be loving, loyal and faithful to her for the rest of your lives together?
I do.
And do you, Stacey, take Callum here present to be your lawful wedded husband, to be loving, loyal and faithful to him for the rest of your lives together?
I do.
Stacey, I promise to love and to care for you and to be faithful to you always. Through the good times and the difficult, I promise to always be by your side. I will cherish each moment we share together in this life and the next.
Callum, I have found in you my soulmate. I am proud that today I become your wife and get to join my life with yours. I promise to support you, inspire you and love you endlessly. I promise to forever be your best friend, to be there for you when you need me the most and to be faithful to you always. You are my one and only, today, tomorrow and forever. As I give you my hand to hold, I give you my heart to keep.
It therefore gives me the greatest of pleasure to say that you are now united as husband and wife in marriage, and you, sir, know what comes next.
I just want to take a moment to appreciate how beautiful my wife is. I wrote this speech months ago and I knew that she was going to be, so can everybody give her a round of applause? I mean, look at it. A very lucky individual, and it's great to be able to say I can marry my best friend. It truly is something special. Can you all once again raise a glass to my beautiful wife, the new Mrs. Heslock?
Marriage is the magic that can turn our everyday lives into very special times. So remember to create your own magical moments and to make the most of every single day that you are together. But most importantly, treat each other with respect, never stop being friends, and be the most important person in each other's lives.